Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage business communication with Trello step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Trello account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on Create New Board to start your project. Name your board something relevant to your business communication needs. Select a background color or image that suits your organizational style. Invite team members to the board by clicking on Invite and entering their email addresses. Create lists to represent different stages of your communication process, such as ideas, in progress, and completed. Within each list, click on Add a card to create tasks or messages for team discussions. For each card, detail the communication topic, assign team members, and set due dates as necessary. Utilize labels to categorize your cards, making it easier to identify priority tasks or communication types. Add checklists to cards for breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Encourage team members to comment on cards for any updates or feedback related to the task. Attach relevant files or documents directly to the cards for easy access. Use the due date feature to ensure timely communication and keep everyone accountable. Regularly review your board in team meetings to track progress and adjust as needed. Utilize Trello's calendar view by enabling the calendar power-up to visualize deadlines and important dates. Consider setting up automation with Butler to reduce repetitive tasks, saving time for more critical communication efforts. Periodically assess and refine your board structure to ensure it meets your team's evolving communication needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.